So welcome students, here is the second lecture of algebra 1 and further we will learn about the algebraic expression. So here we can see that our expression is written in front of us. So how will we start? Very first we will multiply 2 times x, so it is 2x, then plus minus 2 times y is 2y, and then plus 2 times z is 2z. So this is the answer for this question. And here we can see like x, y and z, all three are different variables, so we cannot add or subtract them. This is the basic rule. Let's say we have 3a minus 2a. So here we have the same variable, so we can plus minus 3 minus 2a is a. We don't write 1, but we assume here is 1. So this is the answer. So let's come to the another question. In this question we will further learn how to multiply 5 times 3a. So 5 times 3 is 15, and then 5, and here we will write the a plus, because plus, and 5 times b is 5b, then plus minus 5 times 4 is 20, and c will be written as it is. So here we have all different variables, we cannot further simplify, so this is the answer. Sometimes students sometimes students do not understand this type of questions when they have numbers in fraction. So how will we do it? Let's consider we have 1 in denominator, in each term. So 1 times 4x is 4x, 2 times 1 is 2. Here we have plus sign, so plus minus. 1 times 6 is 6y, and 2 times 1, I am multiplying 2 with 1 in the denominator. 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 times plus 1 times 8 is 8, and then 2 times 1 is 2. So we will cancel it. 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4, so we write 2x. 2 times 1, 2 times 3 is 6, so minus 3y, plus 2 times 1, 2 times 4 is 8, so it is 4. So here we have x, here y, and a simple constant. This is the answer. Let's come to the another question. Here we have little advanced algebraic expression, and we will try to solve it. So first we will do the one part and then the second part, okay, and we will learn step by step. So here let's consider again. Here we have 1. So 3 times 4x is 12x over 4 times 1 is 4, minus, because plus minus 3 times 8 is 24, y, 4 times 1 is 4 in the denominator, then open the bracket, we write the minus sign, and then 3 times 5, 3 times 15 is 45, and x, and here we have 1, so 5 times 1 is 5, and then minus plus, so 3 times 5 is 15, y over, and here we have 1, 5 times 1 is 5. So we can here we will see if we can cancel. So 4 times 1, 4 times 3 is 12, so it is 3x, minus 4 times 1, 4 times 6 is 24, y, minus 5 times 1, and 5 times 9 is 45, so 9x plus 5 times 1 and 5 times 3 is 15, so 3y. And here we can see, like here we have x, here we have x, so we will rearrange 3x minus 9x, and we will also write these two terms together, minus 24y and plus 3y. So plus minus minus, so 9 plus 3, plus minus minus, so 9 minus 3 is 6x. 9 is a greater value and the sign with greater value is minus, so we will write minus sign in the answer. And then we will see these two terms here, minus plus minus, sign of the greater value, 24 as minus sign, so 24 minus 3 is 21y. So this is our answer. So now we will learn how to multiply and divide in the way, how to multiply and divide in the algebraic expression. And because when we have an equal sign between, so how will we send the numbers to the other side, and how can we solve for x? So there are two ways. One way is, here we can see we have 5 and here we have 20, both are the multiples of 5. So what we can do, we divide both sides with 5. So 5 times 1, 5 times 1, 5 times 1, 5 times 4, so we get x equals to 4. This is one way. And the another way is 5x equals 20. So here we can see the relationship between 5 and x is multiplication, because we don't have any sign here, so we write x equal 20 over 5. So when I send 5 here, so it was first multiplied, then it will be changed into division. Now 5 times 1, 5 times 4 is 20. So both ways are possible. It's up to you which method you follow. Now the next question, here we have x over 6. So 6 is divided by x. So we can see 6 is in the denominator, so we will send 6 to the other side. So since it is divided, when we send to the other side, it becomes multiply. Okay, so 5 times 30. Okay, so let's say, for example, we have a number like this, x over x plus 2 over 6 equal 5. So what will we do? Again, we will send 6 here, 6 5 30, and then this is the plus sign, it goes there, so 30 minus 2 and 22. So this is the answer. Let's see more questions. So plus 3 when goes there, so it becomes minus, so 7 minus 3, so x equals to 4. So x minus 5 equal 20. I send 5 to the other side, and then 20 plus 5, so x equals to 25. So here we have a little change. So actually we need to make x as a subject. So what will we do here? We will send x here and 3 here. We will replace the values, just like we will swap the numbers. So x is here, 36 over 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, so it is 12. So 3 times 12 is 36. Or for example, let's see another question. We have 24 over x. So we send x here, 24 over 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So x equals to 6. This is the answer. Now let's consider the another example. 7 times x. 7x. 7 times 3. Minus sign, because plus minus 7 times 3 is 21, equal minus 35. So here we have minus value, we will send it to the other side. So 7x equal minus 35 plus 21. This minus sign becomes positive in the next step. So 7x equals minus plus minus, sign of the greater value. So 35 minus 21 is 14. So we have 7x equals to minus 14. So x equal minus 14 over 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 2. So we have x equals minus 2. This is the answer. Let's see another example. 5 minus 4x equals minus 15. So here we can see x is with minus sign. So first we will make it positive. We will send 4x here and minus 15 here. So minus 15 becomes plus 15 after sending, and 4x minus 4x becomes positive 4x, and we don't write plus sign. So 5 plus 15 is 20, 4x, and here we can write 4x 20 like this. 4 will go on the other side. So x equal 20 over 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 5. So x equal 5. 9 times x is 9x plus 9 times 4 is 36 equal 41. So 9x equal 41 minus 36. So 9x equal 41 minus 36 is 5. So x equals to 5 over 9. Now we will solve for x. Here 8x minus 3x, 4x plus 1. So first we will rearrange the equation. So we can see here we have 8x, here we have 4x. So it's better to send 4x to the left side. So 8x, here 4x has a positive sign. So when we send here on the left side, it becomes negative. And here we have minus 3. So when we send on the right hand side, it becomes positive. So plus minus minus 8 minus 4 is 4x, sign of the greater value, we don't write plus sign, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. So x equal 4 over 4. 4 times 1. So x equals 1. Sometimes it's going to ask that if we are sending like here 4x equals 4, sometimes it's going to ask if we send 4 to the other side, will it be like multiply, change into divide, and we also change positive sign into negative sign? No, it is not like this, because we are focusing on multiplication sign only, so it will be converted into division sign. We will not change the plus or minus sign, so please remember. So we will not do this. (14 minus 3x equals 10 minus 7x). So here we have minus 7x minus 3x. So minus 7x we will send to the left side. So minus 7x becomes positive 7x, then minus 3x equals 10, and here plus 14 becomes negative 14. So 7 minus 3 is 4x, sign of the greater value, we don't write plus sign. 10 minus 14 is minus 4. Why minus 4? Because sign of the greater value. X equals minus 4 over 4, 1. So x equals minus 1. This is the Now let's see the another question here. 3 bracket open x minus 5 equals 7x, and 7 bracket open x plus 4, and we have minus 7. Minus 7 is not in the bracket, it is outside the bracket. So 3 times x is 3x, plus minus minus, so 3 times 5 is 15, equals 7 times x is 7x, plus sign, so plus 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 7 times 4 is 28. Here we have 7 outside the bracket, so we can see here we have 7x, here we have 3x. So it's better to send 3x to the right side, because a smaller number should be sent to the bigger number, bigger coefficient. So minus 15, so 28 will come here on the left side, becomes minus 28, plus 7 will come on the left side, so it becomes plus 7, and then we have 7x and minus 3x. Minus 3x is gone to the other side. So here we can see minus 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 plus, so minus minus plus, so 28 plus 15 is 42, sorry 43, plus 7 equal 7x minus 3x is 4x, and then minus plus minus, so minus plus minus is 43, minus 7 is 36. Sign of the greater value, because 43 has negative sign, we have 4x, and then 4 times 1, 4 times 9, so x is equals to minus 9. This is the answer.